Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jane Magante of Arisim Realty. Kamusta na po kayo? Hope all of you are okay guys. So we have new house for sale and we're going to have another house tour. Okay guys, so I'm here now in Gentry Heights. Yes, a 41-hectare gated community located along Barangay Manggahan, General Trias, Cavite. Thank you so much to all our dear buyers. So our property is located along Governor's Drive, one of the main highways here in Cavite. To the left, you're headed to Dasmariñas City. And to the right, you're on the way to Trece Martires. It's also just at 13 kilometers to Calac Aguinaldo exit and 3 kilometers to the ongoing Governor's Drive interchange, making travel quick and easy. Tagaytay is only 30 minutes away, and MOA or the airport is just about an hour's drive. So whether you're working in the city or want a quick escape, this location has you covered. We're now entering the gate. We have our FID for extra security. And of course, this property is surrounded by key establishments. Top schools like De La Salle University, Lyceum of the Philippines, Cavite State University are all within reach. Hospitals such as Gentry Med, Gentry Doctors Medical Center, and the LSU Medical Center are just nearby for peace of mind. Shopping, you've got Walter Mart, the upcoming SNR, SM Dasma, and SM Trece, all just a short drive away. This is our two-story home, perfect for starting families. It's modern, cozy, and located in the peaceful community, ideal for those looking to start their next chapter in comfort and style. So this house has a lot area of 115 square meters, floor area of 92 square meters, 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 car garage. This house was constructed last 2023. So guys, bagong-bago pa siya, less than 2 years old, and hindi siya natitirahan. So we can consider this as brand new. Okay, so let's start with the exterior. This home comes with a 1 carport, and the side of the house is open, giving you the option to build an extension in the future, whether that's an extra room, storage, or even a lanai area. Sa harap naman, you have ample open space, perfect for setting up a garden or small play area for the kids. It's a blank canvas you can design based on your family needs, guys. By the way, guys, our setback here at the side, we have 3 meters, and at the back, 2 meters. At the front, we have 3 meters also. Okay, since the property has no fence yet, it gives you flexibility to customize the front based on your style and security preferences. Okay guys, so you can put fence and gate here. Okay, let's go inside. The interior is still bare, which means you can easily design and finish it according to your personal taste and needs. A great opportunity for first-time homeowners to make it truly their own. This space includes your living area and dining area, both with an open layout, giving you freedom to choose your furniture layout and style. Here's the kitchen. already fitted with a countertop and hanging cabinet. This is best used for light prep and easy cooking. This setup keeps your main kitchen clean, tidy, and efficient. And this is the toilet and bath. A smart and space-saving features that perfect for guests or everyday use. And at the back of the house, there's a covered extension designed to serve as your laundry area and dirty kitchen. This is where you can do heavier cooking and washing, keeping the mess out of the main living space. So guys, you can put here an extension. Pwede nyo siyang i-close for your laundry area and dirty kitchen. Okay, let's head up to the second floor. The stairs have tiled steps with steel handrails, giving a clean and sturdy finish. On the side, you'll notice a window along the stair wall that lets in the natural light, plus a chandelier hanging from the high ceiling, adding a nice touch of the elegance. Okay, the entire second floor is finished with ceramic tiles, giving it a neat and polished look. Here we have 3 bedrooms, all almost identical in size, so you can assign them based on your needs, whether for kids, guests, or home office. This is the bedroom 1 located beside the balcony. It comes with a built-in cabinet and a window overlooking the balcony, giving it a relaxing vibe. On the left side of the stairs, you'll find the door leading to the balcony, a nice spot to relax or enjoy some fresh air. So that is the balcony. Now we're here at the bedroom 2. It has 2 windows, allowing great cross ventilation. This one doesn't have a cabinet yet, so you can furnish it your way. And this is the bedroom 3. Features 1 window and a cabinet, ideal for a child's room or guest space. And this is the common toilet and bath. This is shared by all 3 rooms. It has floor-to-ceiling tiles, a small window for ventilation, and is conveniently located for easy access. Okay guys, let's recap. Lot area of this house is 115 square meters, floor area 92 square meters, 3 bedroom and 2 toilet and bath. Price of this is 4.9 million net. Okay guys, now that we've seen the whole house, let's check out the amenities. Hindi lang bahay ang ino-offer natin dito, kundi pati ang community and lifestyle. As shown earlier dito guys, there is gated entrance and 24/7 ang security natin dito. So you can have peace of mind for your family. And now this is our clubhouse. So this is perfect for family gatherings and parties. Guys, our monthly dues here is 500 pesos only. We also have here covered basketball court and playground. And swimming pool. Okay, all done for today's house tour. If you're interested on this property, just message or call me on the contact details shown on the screen. I will be happy to assist you guys, okay? Okay, also please don't forget to share and subscribe. And if you want to notify, just click the notification bell for more house tour. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!